Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today's text come from 2 Corinthians 6 verses 6 and 7. Listen what it say.
We sure say we are God's servant when we keep ourselves clean. God make we understand His message and make we know how He want we to live. We sure say we are God's servant when we kind to people and take time with them and not quick forget vex or grumble. We make the Holy Spirit help if we do we work. We not do it pan we own. We sure say we are God's servant when we show people love, no matter who them be or where them do. We always show them love. We only teach the truth and God power working away. And same like how soldier use the weapon in them left hand to protect themselves, and the one in them right hand to fight the people them we are come against them. As same so the good way we do, we fight and protect we from everything we would have come against we.
Think about this. Where is a text I teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how we think. God really love we, and when we serve Him, it make Him happy. So we must read Him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. And just remember say, when you wanna text par, it make the devil turn far. See you soon!